Labour Party presidential candidate Mr. Peter Gregory Obi is live in Onitsha in Anambra State as he attended the burial ceremony of Nollywood legend and actress Mr. Nkechi Nweje, who is being laid to rest today in her hometown in Anambra State. Okay, guys, Peter Obi arrived the event as he was seen giving a hand of applause as people keep on cheering his name as he arrived the burial ceremony. This is one thing I love about Peter Obi, always showing up. And this our Nollywood actress who passed away just some few months ago is being laid to rest in our hometown in Onitsha, in Anambra State. May her soul rest in peace. Peter Gregory arrived the event in grand style as you see Nigerians and lots of Nollywood actors and actresses. They welcome Peter Obi as you can see people cheering at him. This aura that works with Peter Obi whenever he arrives at an event is something that needs to be studied. I always tell people that you see respect cannot be bought. Respect and love cannot be bought. It is in, and Peter Obi has ended it among Nigerians and also the Nigerian youth. Okay, guys, I'll be sharing with you how the voting went down. Drop a comment below, tell us about it, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
My sister. You're very good. Are you there, son? I'm going to my own sister. I've been here. Let's go there. I didn't even know. Your Excellency. I didn't even come here, but I've been here. You just told me now. You don't know?
Thank you.
My president. My brother.
On top in the house, okay.
I know now, the thing is stressful. They read the one.
Oh, the one. The one.
Who about the one? Oh, the real one.
Oh, one.
My own sister. I've been here.
Let's go there.
I didn't even know.
Your Excellency.
I didn't even come here, but I've been here. You just told me now. You don't know?
Thank you.
My sister.